Exercise 12.1, fourth sum. They given caps A. Caps A, they given the set bracket. Therefore, A contains A plus square root of 5b. A plus square root of 5b, where this small a and this small b belongs to Z. They are not speaking about the square root of 5. They are speaking only about A and B. They are speaking only about A and B. They are speaking only about A and B. They are not speaking about the square root of 5. This A and this B belongs to Z. Therefore, A contains, what is A? A contains A plus square root of 5 into B. A contains A plus square root of 5 into B. So, in spite of writing A is equal to, I am going to write belongs to A. Belongs to A. This is one of the format. A plus square root of 5, B belongs to A, where A comma B, belongs to Z. Where A comma B belongs to Z. The same format I am going to write another one. C plus square root of 5 into D. This also belongs to A. This is our assumption. If A plus square root of 5B, this is one of the format. A is one of integer and another irrational number. Square root of 5 is an irrational number and B is another belongs to A. That will be another number also, C plus square root of 5 into D, where C is an integer, D is an integer, square root of 5 is an irrational number, where C comma D also belongs to that. This format belongs to A, so therefore this format also belongs to A. So both the format belongs to A only. So what is the usual multiplication is a binary operation A. We want to check usual multiplication. Multiply usually, how we can multiply A plus square root of 5 into B, C plus square root of 5 into D. Multiply with usual multiplication. A into C is AC. A into square root of 5 is nothing but square root of 5 into AD plus next step. Square root of 5 into C is nothing but square root of 5 into BC. Next, this one, see, square root of 5 is nothing but 5. B into D, what is B into D is nothing but BD. So arrange it properly. This square root of 5 I am going to arrange separately. So AC and 5BD I am going to arrange separately. Nothing but AC plus 5 into BD plus, see here, this square root of 5 is common here. Both this, so take square root of 5 outside. AD plus BC. AD plus BC. Now once again, this is also an integer. See, this is also an integer. This is also an integer. This is an irrational number because AC is an integer, 5 is an integer, BD is an integer. If we are going to add integers, once again integer. They are same. AD is integer, BC is an integer. If I am going to add AD plus BC, this is also integer. This is also integer. This is also integer. By square root of 5, so this also belongs to A because this is an integer. This is an integer. This is an irrational number. The same format. Integer, irrational number. Integer, irrational number. Integer, as an irrational number. So this formula also belongs to A. Therefore, hence usual multiplication is binary on A. That's all. The simplest sum I have tested very simply. Go through.